Binance just released this about Cardano ADA and crypto, and why ADA will hit $100. Cardano, the first third-generation blockchain to emerge out of a research-first approach, uses ADA as its native cryptocurrency token. Despite ADA being at the center of the Cardano ecosystem, the reason for its existence may not always be clear. For newcomers and veterans of Cardano, it's important to understand the purpose of this cryptocurrency. Why is ADA important? What is it needed for? And what Binance just released about Cardano ADA. To know the answers to all these questions, watch this video till the end. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Before we get to the topic, let's analyze the ADA price. As of the 19th of July, Cardano ADA has had a rough last couple of weeks as price has fallen nearly negative 25% to its major support. This price action was not out of the ordinary, as the majority of the cryptocurrency market also fell as a result of BTC dropping to its $31,000 support level. Price has been stuck in a near 3-month downtrend as bears have not given up control, although there are some signs a trend change may be in the process. If ADA manages to break and hold this mark, we can then say price is out of its falling wedge pattern in a bullish way. This will likely cause a push to major resistance of $1.34. If Cardano turns bullish in the short term, it must then tackle the 30-day MA. This MA has held price down since the beginning of June. If bulls fail to do so, price will likely retrace back to its major zone of $1.20 to $1.27. If this also fails, we can expect ADA to touch back to support of $1.20, $1.14, and $1.09, respectively. While looking at the RSI, we can see strength has been basically flatlined for months. This has created a descending channel-like structure which needs a strong breakout to either side to have a confirmed trend change. The stochastic RSI has been hanging out in oversold territory, which is a sign a reset has occurred, which may have set the stage for another bullish push. Now let's get back to the topic. We'll look at the core reasons why ADA is crucial to the Cardano ecosystem and how much Emergo is building products to support a mature Cardano ADA ecosystem. Cardano ADA is needed for staking. Firstly, ADA is needed for staking. Staking exists because Cardano is a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain. To understand how this works simply, we previously used the examples of a supermarket. In a supermarket, there are multiple checkouts. Each checkout is run by a cashier. These cashiers scan baskets of goods, and cashiers are rewarded with money or assets for doing so. Within Cardano, each cashier is a stake pool operator. Each checkout is a stake pool. A basket of goods is a bunch of transactions that are grouped together into a block, which are added to the Cardano blockchain permanently once they're scanned by the cashiers and are validated to be correct. Within the Cardano supermarket, there's room to support 1,000 cashiers and checkouts. These cashiers will need to use special equipment to operate a checkout 24/7 and keep the Cardano blockchain up to date. The Cardano blockchain is a supermarket that never closes. However, not everyone who owns ADA wants to run a checkout. Some people will want to help the checkouts operate without starting one themselves. This is why staking is important. Normal, daily users of Cardano can delegate their ADA resources, their stake, to certain checkouts. This allows cashiers to widen their checkouts to a healthy size and increase their chances that a customer with a basket of goods will visit their checkout. For their effort, the cashiers, stake pool operators, are rewarded with ADA. Without this reward, the cashiers who work hard would quit, and the Cardano blockchain wouldn't be able to continue. For people who stake their resources, coins, to these checkouts, they also receive a reward. This means people earn ADA from staking as an incentive mechanism. Cardano ADA allows transfers of value. After being rewarded with ADA, cashiers have the right to transfer or hold on to it as they choose. The cashiers, the stake pool operators, the people who help the cashiers, stake delegators, and anyone else who owns ADA has the right to transfer value to anyone with an ADA address. The ADA holder simply needs to know the public address of the person they're sending value to, much like sending value to an email address. There are many examples of transfers of value that could happen. Recently, Emergo brought crypto payments using ADA via Emergo-developed Yoroi ADA wallet to the famous Japanese comedian Kenji Tamura's restaurant, Charcoal Grill BBQ Tamura. This means that anyone can pay for an item on the menu with some ADA. There are many examples of merchants, restaurants, and outlets that have accepted ADA as a form of payment, including Emergo's ADA crypto card campaign that successfully sold out in South Korea earlier this year. Emergo is constantly updating your ROI wallet for Android, iOS, Chrome, and Firefox to make transferring ADA a seamless, simple, and secure experience for all users. It's a free and essential tool developed for users to store, send, and receive ADA, enabling your ROI wallet to be the financial gateway to the future. Furthermore, Emergo is also supporting Cardano fellow Robert Kornaki's SIRE through our D-Lab Emergo Accelerator program. SIRE is a pioneering, tokenless invoice-based protocol designed to make sending ADA easy and worry-free for users by removing any concerns about confirming recipient ADA wallet addresses, and will be applicable to Cardano ADA in addition to other blockchains. Cardano ADA will be needed for smart contracts. Smart contracts are a planned feature of Cardano in the upcoming future. Every purchase or transaction we make on a daily basis tells a story. Some stories are simple. One may be the story of a person buying their morning coffee. Another story might be payments for a mortgage or loan. These stories are more complex. Each story needs a script. This means creating a meaningful set of rules and guidelines that allow transfers of value to take place. Smart contracts write the scripts needed for these stories. Cardano's ADA will be the actors of the script. This is the third reason why ADA exists. Cardano would change the laws of the market, just as Ethereum did in its time, for every reason. Significant profits may be generated now by investing in this project. Negative perceptions and attitudes on the market will be the only thing that might interrupt this bullish momentum. Our analysts think that by 2025, Cardano ADA can hit the $8 to $10 mark very easily. Talking about how the coin behaved in the past, things are looking to be good. Although the past is the past, in the crypto world, the past is directly proportional to the future of coins. One of the highest market caps and a massive amount of trade every day shows Cardano is popular with cryptocurrency lovers. Despite periodical price declines, the 4-year history indicates steady development on the value of the coin. Many partners support the long-term growth potential of Cardano. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and the rates keep on changing. Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the coin prices would have switched to a whole different range. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.